It's your man's once again back from Home Depot. Look what I got. Okay, I got a stack of wood to build 5 10-shot racks. So I got 2x3s. I think it's 1x4, and then 2x3s cut different sizes to build those. But it's gonna be a 10-shot rack versus 6-shot. So I lined them up at first, and I was like, this shit ain't even measured right, but the 2x3 goes on the outside instead of the inside, like those are. 2x4 on the inside versus the outside. So I was like, cool, that's gonna work. So I got the DR11 tubes that I got from Pyrobo. So I'm about to drill these together. It should be pretty simple because they're already measured. So what I did is, since I already got wood here at the house, is I want them to cut for the measurement. So I'm gonna save the last one and just measure it up to the rest of them that I'm gonna make. Makes it easier. That way I ain't gotta measure nothing. So Sugar Bear Pyro, about to drill it all together, and I'll be right back to let you know what it looks like. Alright, Sugar Bear Pyro is back. I put together the first rack. Now, it's the same identical one as that almost, but it's a 10-shot rack. So, take the measurement up to Home Depot. They gave them to me, and I just came back and screwed it together. So now, you got a 10-shot rack. Voila. I'm gonna make about 8 of these for $24. Let's see. I should have tested this out before I made the video. I'm embarrassed my damn self. DR11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 10-shot rack HDP DR11. Home Depot special. There you have it.